For our garam masala, first we need 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. So these are the seeds that is used to make coriander powder. So these are raw coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, otherwise called saunf, and this is the bigger version of jeera. So these are fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of cloves, black cloves, around 10 cardamom pieces, few bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of jeera. So jeera is the small version of the fennel seeds. 1 tablespoon, few cinnamon sticks, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So this is a really nice black pepper. And finally 2 to 3 dry red chili. Dry red chili is optional. If you don't want it, you can totally skip it. So the only thing missing is the nutmeg. I didn't have the nutmeg, but if you have nutmeg, you can use 1 small nutmeg also. So back in India, we used to put this outside sun to make it really dry before we powder them. And today in our busy world, we don't have a lot of time, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So that's the way to roast them. I'm going to put this in the oven. 2 minutes. A spice grinder. I'm using my old NutriBullet for grinding my spices now, but you can use any grinder. Garam masala is ready. We can store this in an airtight container, and this all you need is a tiny pinch of this garam masala because it's very strong.